Hello everyone, it's Molly Tigger here. I know it's been quite some time, but I'm still getting used to this camera, and also I'm not feeling well, haven't been feeling well, and just a lot of things going on. What I am coming to you today with are Halloween favors that I made for my granddaughter for school. My grandson, he's outgrown them. He really doesn't want me to make him anything. And I understand that. But my granddaughter, she's in 2nd grade and she still wants Grandma to make things. So I made these milk carton favor box with handles. They're from the Silhouette store. And I will leave a link down below to give you the ID number. I also used... This is an old book, Recollections paper pad, Haunted Estate. I've had this forever and I'm just trying to finish up what I can of it. And also I used Recollections black paper for the base. I left one apart so you could just see it, and I'll show you that in a minute. So this is how they came out. Actually, I had these clothespins. I believe they were from Michael's last year, but I only had 12 and I needed 22 favors. So, Crafting with Lilla had a little tutorial on making these little witch hat ones, which I thought, okay, I'll make them on there and that should be cute. And I will also put her link down below so that if you'd like to try them. They were really, really easy to do. Boy, and that word easy for me, usually, as you well know, when something is easy, it usually gives me the worst time of all. This truly was easy. So, I'm just going to throw a few little favors in there, you know, candy, and I like to put a little toy or something. I didn't go crazy decorating them too much because, and you know, I really couldn't wanted to, but they're going to rip them open and then throw them away. So if I was only making a few, maybe I would have done that. But the amount that I had to make, 22 of them, I just thought I'm going to leave it like this. And also I have tags with my granddaughter's name that I'm going to attach to them. I was going to just clip them on with the hats, but then I thought, well, maybe I better make a little hole and let it dangle. I was going to glue them, but I can't because on some of them, I actually put some stickers on them that I had. So I didn't want to cover up the sticker, and I didn't think about it beforehand that I could have left one side open. Live and learn. But so I'm thinking I will just tie them on so the kids don't just open them up and then the tag falls off and then nobody will know who it was from. And I just wanted to show you how it comes. It was, the milk carton itself was very easy to make. It cuts out on your, well, I have a Cameo, and I'm sure you can do it on your Cricut if you have one. It just comes out as a black base, and then it has all the perforations, you know, which you just fold. And then you just fold it up like this, and you glue everything or red tape it, however you want to do. It is just very easy to put together. And as far as the witch's hat, I won't go into a big tutorial. You can watch Crafting with Lilla. The only difference is I did change her size. I think she said about a 2-inch. I went 2 1/4 on mine to lift it up a little. Otherwise, it was showing more. And I made it 1 1/2 inch wide going across because it seemed, leaving it the way it was, I just made a triangle in Silhouette. Leaving it the way it was too wide to get the circle part over, the hat part. So really this is all that you needed, was 2 triangles for the front and the back, and you glue them on, and then you cut this out, you know, and you're going to put this over, which you can watch in the tutorial if you haven't already seen it. It is so simple. So that is my little share for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to be making little Halloween treat bags now for my granddaughter's dance class. She does attend dance class, and she wants to bring in little treat bags. So again, I'm not doing these. I'm just going to do something simple, and I will do a video on that. Thank you, everybody, and have a good day.